Hey guys, Jordy from Vhedia here, just showing you how to use the SIM card adapter on your Android 13 unit. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the power is off, your 4G antenna is connected so that it gets that signal, and of course that you have connected the 4G antenna adapter, which just plugs in at the back here. And you see it with a bunch of other wires, so you can just neaten that up with a cable tie if you want. Usually I recommend running this to your glove box, even if you're not sure if you're going to use it, just so that if you decide later on you want to use it, you don't have to pull apart the dash. So what you want to do is push it open, and you'll see here on this little silver thing, I'll try and get it, one way will say open and one way will say lock. So push it down, open it, put your SIM card in. This takes a micro SIM card. You can use any one, whatever's best signal around your area. These can be tricky to put in, so you want to make sure that it's firmly in place before closing and locking down. As you can see, it's a bit tricky to do with one hand, and then you want to lock it into place. So making sure as well that the corner aligns with the corner on the SIM card, and then you just want to make sure you hear that click. Okay, so we've powered up our unit, and we can see already at the top here we've got 4G. So what you can do is make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is off, which it is, and then just do a little test. So Google, that's already a good sign, and there you go. That's it working. Thanks guys.